Hello, this is Ron Nutter, author of the series VMware, A Guide for New Admins. If you haven't heard of the series before, let me give you a quick review of what you're fixing to look at, and I think you'll be very happy with what's going to come to you. When I got my VMware certification several years ago, I kept finding things that weren't covered in the class. For example, didn't know how to do the patching on VMware, didn't know how to apply them, wasn't familiar with how to set up a tapeless backup, didn't know how to work with the command line in VMware, didn't even heard about hardening VMware to increase its resistance to hacks, or even how to upgrade to the latest version of vSphere. The solution. Well, I figured, how can I help the others of those like me that work in IT and may not have the skill set for this or want to learn more and build that skill set? So I thought, well, I can write a series of books. I've done it before, and then I thought, well, let's do some videos while we're at it of things they don't teach you in the class that can really help you in the day-to-day administration of the various VMware products. So in the series, you're going to be seeing, general tips, things I've learned along the way, how to do upgrades, how to deal with storage, the different tools for VMware, how to work with the command line interface, doing a backup versus a snapshot, looking at how to set up a firewall for it, and a host of other things that I've got several outlines already written for. It's just a matter of getting to the writing of the books. Well, here's what this particular book's on. This is number 3 in the series, and this is doing upgrades. Now, when I first got VMware, we were dealing with version 5.1. Well, 5.5 came out not too long after that, and the upgrade process wasn't too bad. Well, when 6.0 came out, there was a little more planning need to be done, and there was a whole upgrade matrix that VMware has released in several of the technical notes available on the VMware portal. So that got me thinking, okay, for somebody who may not know where to look for some of this or kind of wants an idea of what to look at, the book walks you through what to do, gives you an idea of where to go. So, it's a process of, getting a current inventory, how to plan for the upgrade, backing up the configurations of your VMware host, doing a dry run in your lab. Trust me, you'd rather have it blow up a couple of times in the lab, so if it does happen in the real world, that you've got an idea of what to start looking at instead of fumbling and trying to figure out, and losing precious minutes or hours to get the thing back on track. Doing the upgrade in stages. You never want to do it all at once unless there's just no way around it. Updating your documentation and some other things to look at too. So you've got an idea of what's going to be in the book. So why don't you go ahead and get your copy of this today. It's available on the Kindle platform. You can either use the QR code on the screen to take you directly to the book, or you can go to http://amzn.to/1G0XY1Y. Thank you for your time.